Ano-ano nga ba ang mga pagkain or inumin na nagpapalakas ng gatas ng ina? Hello po, I'm Dr. Regeline, aka your tita Doktora. Okay, in this video, pag-uusapan natin ang mga pagkain or inumin na mag-i-increase ng inyong milk supply. Most of the time, ang mga concern ng mga mother ay kung papaano dadami ang kanilang breast milk supply. Lagi nating tandaan that breastfeeding works like a demand and supply system. Ibig sabihin, mas madalas kang naglalatch or nurse kay baby, mas marami din ang iyong gatas na masusupply kay baby. But it's also important to take into consideration the food and beverages that you consume during breastfeeding. Mga mommies, laging piliin ang mga nutritious and healthy food choices na makakatulong sa inyong milk productions. And here are some food choices that you may try. Some of these food choices may contain plant estrogen na makaka-increase ng inyong milk supply. Andyan ang protein-rich food katulad ng lean meat such as chicken, fish, eggs, and tokwa or tofu. Magandang source din ng plant proteins or amino acids ang mga beans and lentils. Siguraduhin din kumain ng mga green leafy vegetables katulad ng malunggay, kangkong, spinach, or arugula. Gayon din ang mga whole grains katulad ng oats and barley. Malaking benepisyo din ang makukuha ng mga ina sa garlic and ginger at katulad ng mga seeds like flax seeds and nuts. Maaari ka din maging malikhain sa pagpili or pag-combine ng mga healthy food choices. Choose healthy recipes, ika nga. For example, an oatmeal that is loaded with berries, almonds, or any other nuts. Pwede ka rin mag-try ng stir-fried chicken or tofu with garlic and ginger or any other green leafy vegetables. At yung mga sikat ngayon na mga lactation cookies that is loaded with oats, flax seeds, and brewer's yeast. Siguraduhin mga mommies na makakakain tayo ng mga variety of foods that will help you boost your milk supply. Ang pagkain din ng mga diverse food ay makakatulong sa pag-change ng flavor ng inyong milk. This will definitely expose your baby to different tastes na makakatulong din sa inyo bilang parents and kay baby para mas mabilis niyong tanggapin ang mga solid food during the time of complementary feeding. Mahalaga ding tandaan na uminom ng sapat na fluids araw-araw. It's natural to feel thirsty during your breastfeeding journey, but this may also be a clue na you're not taking enough fluids. Makakatulong din ang mga fresh fruit juices, plant-based milk, and some lactation herbal tea or caffeine-free drink to increase your fluid intake. You also have to limit your caffeine intake from a regular coffee or regular tea. Ayan, hopefully nakatulong itong video na ito to plan your nutritious and healthy diet during your breastfeeding journey. Ikaw, mommy, may recipe ka ba or tips to increase your milk supply na pwede mong i-share sa amin at sa mga breastfeeding mommy? I-share mo naman yan sa comment section. O paano po yan? Hanggang dito na lang po ang video na ito. Until my next TikTok video, follow me for more pedi-related TikTok videos and please also subscribe to all my other social media accounts. Thank you!